Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Yay! Today we are about to sprinkle some pop on our beautiful model. Let's get straight into this video. Enjoy! Starting with the hair, of course, I love to comb the hair first. Then I will cornrow the hair all the way to the back, just so the frontal is gonna lay really flat. You can use a darker colored wig cap, but I always have hard time finding the perfect colored wig cap in UK. Yes, it's hard. I love to use this spray because it dries really fast, and I go over with another gel just to seal the ends, and then I apply a foundation that is close to her skin tone. Yeah, so now the wig is on, I'm gonna go ahead and comb it. Lovely. The wig is being used before. A lot of you ask me if you can reuse your frontal wig. Yes, you can reuse your frontal wig. This is a Supreme Ghost Bond because it's waterproof, okay, and it dries. It's really strong. It can last you like a week and more. I'm just creating a little bit of baby hair. Oh my god, look at that frontal. It's laid. Girl, it's laying. So yes, I'm gonna create a part. Oh my god, that part is beautiful. Oh my god, it looks so real. Each time you create a new part on your frontal, it's good for you to use the wax just so it's nice and defined, you know, the part. Otherwise the part is going to be moving around. So this is me using a mousse, yes, for the edges because it's easier, and I think it looks more natural as well. Like I said before, the glue is waterproof. This is why I can use a mousse. Otherwise you can use this. Okay, so I'm going to tie it down. I'm going to section the hair. This is the front beads. Oh my god, look at that face. Beautiful. Beautiful. Before you guys are gonna see how she's gonna be slaying to the god. So yes, I'm just gonna be curling the hair. It's good to do your hair first before your makeup, just so your curl is gonna form before you finish your makeup. So yeah, I'm applying MAC Prep and Prime. You guys know I love MAC only because that's the only thing you can find in UK. But foundation, this is NW50. Okay, yes, MAC Studio Fix foundation. So I'm gonna blend everything with a beauty blender. Oh my god, look at that skin. Oh, beautiful. I love it. So like you guys know, I love the beauty blender because it's easy, it's hygienic, because you can just wash them after each client. Then I apply the concealer. The concealer is NC45. Then I set with Ben Eye powder Topaz with a little bit of banana. I set the foundation with Studio Fix powder before I apply the concealer. I normally don't do this, but yes, I do this once in a while when I want that natural finish. You guys know I always use Rimmel, dark brown and black brown, like I always do. I love to mix both of them together. Black brown to outline, then dark brown to fill it up. So that's how I do it. Okay, so I'm just filling it up. Okay, your girl love this brow set, okay, because it kind of make the brows look natural. You see, she's slaying, she's feeling it. Oh yes, girl. contouring the nose. You guys know I did not actually do contour when I started. You guys know I don't. Today I think I did the makeup different. This is how I normally do it if I don't want the makeup to be heavy, if I want that natural look. Okay, concealer time, your girl. Always use a concealer that is brighter than the person's skin tone. You see, just in the middle. Then in the front, I use the person's foundation color. Okay, the front and the ends. Okay, I use the person's foundation color, but I use a brighter concealer just right at the middle. Girl, slay. Oh my god, so as always, I just love to kind of distribute all the concealer around the eyelids before I apply the eyeshadow. Today, because I want that grayish looking eyeshadow, like not too black, when I use Ignite gel liner, I don't know, for some reason when you blend Ignite gel liner out, it looks like black smoky eye, but not black, like grayish black. That very soft smoky eye. I love to use it. I even use this color on brides. You guys, it always turns out really nice, like gives you that smoky eyes that is not too black. Okay, when you first apply them, it might look really black, like dark, but after you blend it out, trust me, you're gonna love it. Well, I love this lashes. It's really natural, girl. Hey, yeah. This lashes is from eBay, and then I go over with the black again just to blend the, the lash line. A mineralized skin finish from MAC to blend out the setting powder. Okay, just to make everything kind of look really flawless. I love to take off the the apron, because the only time I need apron is when I'm dealing with banana powder. So now I'm applying the blush, girl, slay. Beautiful. I love it already. Look at that. Oh my god, this is Resin from MAC. Resin is so beautiful. Resin is bae. If you want to buy any blush from MAC and you don't have Resin, you are missing. It's beautiful on all skin tone. Love it. Look at that, flawless. Oh my god, that brows, man. Now I'm just applying highlighter. I don't know the highlighter I use. I think I use Caron Cosmetics. Caron Cosmetics is really nice. It's like a blend of peachy and gold. It's just that beautiful blend of different color. I love it. Okay, so it reflects different color like browns, peach, I love it. Caron Cosmetics highlighter. So as always, when I finish my makeup, I like to just blend everything together, so there's no harsh line. Oh my god, this look, beautiful natural look. Oh my god, I love it. So this time I'm using like I don't know what this color is. I don't know what I use. I think okay, is a MAC. I'm using a MAC lip stain here because it's a matte lip stain. After that, I'm gonna apply gloss, okay, on top. I'm gonna line with chestnut. Chestnut is your best friend, okay, for everything. Now I'm applying a bit of purplish lip stain just to add a little bit of purple, like a little bit of that purple tone to the lip gloss. Okay, so I'm lining again just to blend everything in. Hey, you're feeling yourself. Oh yes. Wow, feel yourself. Give them hot. You guys know I always go back to clean the edges of the lipstick so everything is seamless, flawless, beautiful finish. God, I love this makeup. It's so beautiful, so natural. You can wear it anywhere. If the queen call you to Buckingham Palace, you can wear this look to go and see the queen. She's not gonna be like, who is this girl? She's gonna be like, girl, you slay. You know what I mean? Yeah, so now I'm gonna just drop the hair, like unpin the hair. Oh, I love this look. She's feeling herself. What lace, girl, you slay. Look at her. Woo! I love it. Oh, I love this look. She says, wow. Did you see? Did you hear that? Wow. Did you hear that? So now I'm gonna go ahead and define the part even more and then blend the edges. You know, when you tie the scarf, there's gonna be a bit where the foundation did not reach, so just going over. Oh, what lace! Ooh, she's feeling herself. Oh, I love it. Beautiful. You slaying. Ooh. Oh, so I'm just contouring again, you know, just to blend everything together. I love this look. It's so beautiful, so flawless and glam at the same time. So it's simple, it's flawless, it's glam. So this time I'm not gonna comb the hair out. You guys always say, why are you combing the hair out? Why are you combing the hair out? I'm not gonna comb it out. I'm just gonna leave the curls. Okay, so yes, this is my beautiful after. I have a beautiful before and a beautiful after. Beautiful. Girl, you slaying. Yes, show them, give them. Look at that face. Ooh, beautiful before and beautiful after. I love this look, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Subscribe, support your sister. Let's hit 1 million. Okay, love you all, love you all. Let me know if you want me to be doing more voiceover, but I can be a little bit cheeky, you get me? But yes, let me know if you want me to do more voiceover, because my girl is slaying to the gods. Woo! Wow, you slay.
All done. Thank you guys. Bye.